Adam and Katie Adventures, featuring Adam and Katie. This week with extra special guest, Adam's mom. In this video, we cover 2,000 miles traveling from Henderson, Texas, all the way up to Trinidad Lake State Park, then to the Great Sand Dunes National Park in Colorado, and we finish up our trip in Palo Duro Canyon in West Texas before we make our way back. This video is also going to be a little bit of a tribute and a thank you to my mom for putting up with us all summer long. Thanks, Mom. We love you.
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm not going to admit that that's my crazy son. Yes, he is crazy.
The first part of our trip was a hike around Trinidad Lake, where we saw lots of wildlife and we encountered the KT line, which is a prehistoric line, millions of years old of rock, and you can see those layers right there. You might have already noticed that this is a little bit different than any of the videos we've posted up so far, and the reason for that is that we hadn't actually planned on vlogging this trip. We took some pictures and we flew up the drone just because we had some amazing views, but we decided to put this video together and make it into an actual travel vlog after all. The Great Sand Dunes in Colorado is a national park that we went to. It's actually the largest sand dune in the entire United States of America, which is a pretty crazy thing to be able to just pop through and see. It was a wonderful, crazy experience to climb to the top of these dunes and then look across it and see mountains in the background. The hike wasn't terribly long, but when you're hiking uphill in sand, it kind of wears on you a little bit. So I was discovering new techniques on all fours while Katie and my mom were trudging up the side of this dune for probably a good solid hour before we made it to not even the highest peak, but a good high peak for us. Yeah.
How was it?
It was great. I loved every second of it.
You were supposed to go, as you wish.
The Great Sand Dunes were amazing, but it was a little bit expensive to stay there for the night, so after we finished our hike, we decided to head straight to Palo Duro Canyon. Back in Texas, we made it to Palo Duro Canyon State Park, which is actually the second largest canyon in the entire United States, second only to the Grand Canyon. While we were here, I finally got a chance to use my crash pad and climb on some real rocks with some bouldering out in the hiking paths that they had.
Yeah.
One of the coolest things about Palo Duro for us was the wildlife. Most of us had never seen animals like these and definitely not moving around in their natural habitat.
Wow, I followed him. See you later, little buddy.
Now, I thought this tarantula was really cool, but a lot of people are a little skeeved out by them, and one thing that we did think was a little bit weird or scary was the idea of campers nearby sleeping in tents on the ground with these guys roaming around.
Witness now the tarantula fight, or the end of a tarantula fight. Our friend has taken down the enemy, and he is now twisting and contorting its body.
This is sad. Nature. Why do you have to be so cruel? Is that a female? Because she's all brown?
Perhaps we're misunderstanding this
she's
entire
upside down.
situation, and they are, in fact, having some form of tarantula intercourse.
This is so creepy.
Chasing him back down into his hole. Let's try to get a better shot. The triumphant victor marches off. And that is the story of our tarantula friend.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a fun time making it, and it's really nice to look back on these fond memories. I just wanted to say one more time thank you to my mom, and I hope you guys keep watching our adventures.